new video, the McKay can crusher, and it's not really a technology thing. Sure, a lot of you guys have at least drank in a 12-ounce can and might recycle. There's not many videos on this on YouTube, so I thought I'd make this video just to show you guys how it works and if it's good quality for 20 bucks. Red version is what I got, and it comes with 4 screws, and I got the version that can crush both 12 and 16 ounces, so it is a little bit longer. It has a foam kind of handle here, and you pull down, and that's the back of it. So that's what comes in the box. Let's get to the install. So once you've found where you kind of want to install the crusher, in this case we're putting it on this cabinet place, and you need to screw some pilot holes, and I use this to make some small incisions in the wood, and then from there you can take the 4 screws and screw them into the cupboard. It has a pretty good bite on it, so I don't see this falling anytime soon. So this is the full review. It does the job for $20 and it saves a lot of time and energy. And I've actually been using this for almost a month already. Very easy installation. Took less than 20 minutes. I give this product a price to value ratio of 9 out of 10. It's quick and easy, and it works with all can sizes. And the whole process is fun and functions as a bottle opener at the bottom. The only fault or con about this can crusher is the handle. It always falls down and it doesn't stay up. But my genius dad found a solution, and if you have a magnet you can probably get at a dollar store, stick it at the top, the handle will stay upright, kind of like what we've done here. Overall, installation and utility, this product gets a 9 out of 10, and with the magnet hack, it gets a 10 out of 10. That does it with this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe for future content, and like the video if you did. Comment below if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Bye guys.